In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Docs in Google Workspace. We'll start on the Docs homepage and move all the way through editing, formatting, and sharing so you feel confident creating documents right away. Begin by opening Google Docs. On the homepage, look for the filter labeled Owned by Me. Open that filter to quickly narrow your view by Owned by Anyone, Owned by Me, or Not Owned by Me. This helps you separate your personal files from documents shared with you by your team. Next, choose how you want to browse. You can toggle between grid view for visual thumbnails or list view for a compact, details-first layout. If you already have files saved on your computer, use the folder icon to open the file picker and bring them into Docs. If you'd like a head start, open the template gallery. Pick a preset that fits your need, like a report, resume, or meeting notes, then customize it. Prefer a clean slate? Create a new blank document. Inside a document, you'll see the main menu across the top with File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Tools, Extensions, and Help. These menus control everything from exporting and page setup to spell check, citations, and add-ons. In the upper left, use the search box to quickly find commands or features without digging through menus. Just below is the toolbar for everyday editing. Undo and redo, page size and zoom, font family and size, text color, alignment, line spacing, and paragraph settings. These controls update live as you work. To add a professional touch, double-click near the very top of the page to open the header. Type your header title, then adjust the font style and size to match your brand or document tone. If you want the first page to look different, common for title pages, check the Different First Page box. For more control, open Options in the header to explore additional settings. Now go ahead and write and refine your content. To keep formatting consistent, open the Styles menu where you see normal text. Apply a heading level to a title or section, or update a style so all headings match at once. This keeps your document tidy and makes navigation and future edits faster. Your work saves automatically in real time. When you're ready to share, select the Share button. You can copy a link for quick distribution or adjust permissions so people can view, comment, or edit depending on what you need. That's the workflow from start to share in Google Docs. Follow these steps and you'll build clean, consistent documents with ease.